Welcome to SkVm Sudoku. I am going to solve the Hindu newspaper Sudoku puzzle on January 12th, 2022. One star Sudoku. 8th row, we have 1 and 2. So 1 and 2 can't come in these cells. It will come any one of the cells. 10th row, we have 1. So 1 can't come in the cell. 1 is confirmed here, then 2 is here. In this grid, 2 numbers are remaining 5 and 9. We'll confirm later. 7th row and 5th row, we have 5. So 5 can't come in these cells. Then 5 is confirmed here. Column F, only 2 numbers are remaining 1 and 2. We'll confirm later. 6th row, 4 numbers are remaining 1, 2, 4, 7. In this grid, we have 1 and 2. So 1 and 2 can't come in these cells. It will come any one of the cells. Column J, we have 1. So 1 can't come in this cell. 1 is confirmed here. Then 2 is here. Then only 2 numbers are remaining 4 and 7. Column G, we have 7. So 7 can't come in this cell. 7 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. Column I and column J, we have 1. So 1 can't come in these cells. Then 1 is confirmed here. Since 1 here, so 1 can't come in this cell. 1 is confirmed here, then 2 is here. Column E and 5th row, we have 8. So 8 can't come in these cells. Then 8 is confirmed here. Column C, we have 6. So 6 can't come in these cells. 6 will come any one of the cells. We'll confirm later. 5th row, we have 6. So 6 can't come in these cells. Then 6 is confirmed here. 5th grid, 2 numbers are remaining 3 and 9. Column G, we have 3. So 3 can't come in this cell. 3 is confirmed here. Then 9 is here. Column G, we have 9. So 9 can't come in this cell. 9 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. Column E, only 1 numbers are remaining 5. 5 is confirmed here. Second grid, 3 numbers are remaining 1, 2, 6. Second row and third row, we have 6. So 6 can't come in these cells. Then 6 is confirmed here. Then 2 numbers are remaining 1 and 2. We will confirm later. Column H and column I, we have pair numbers 6 and 8. So 6 and 8 can't come in these cells. It will come any one of the cells. 10th row, we have 8. So 8 can't come in this cell. 8 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. Eighth row and 10th row, we have pair numbers 6 and 5. So 6 and 5 can't come in these cells. It will come any one of the cells. Column C, we have 6. So 6 can't come in this cell. 6 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. 7th grid, 3 numbers are remaining 3, 4, 9. Column D, we have 9. So 9 can't come in these cells. Then 9 is confirmed here. Then only 2 numbers are remaining 3 and 4. We will confirm later. 9th row, Two numbers are remaining, 2 and 9. Column H we have 9, so 9 can't come in this cell. 9 is confirmed here, then 2 is here. Column H and column J we have 2, so 2 can't come in these cells, then 2 is confirmed here. Third row we have 2, so 2 can't come in the cell, 2 is confirmed here, then 1 is here. Column B, 3 numbers are remaining, 3, 4, 7. Fifth row we have 3, so 3 can't come in the cell. Third row also we have 3, so 3 can't come in the cell, then 3 is confirmed here. Then only 2 numbers are remaining, 4 and 7. We'll confirm later. Second row and third row we have 3, so 3 can't come in these cells, then 3 is confirmed here. Fourth row, 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 4. We'll confirm later. Since 4 is here, so 4 can't come in the cells. In the cell, 4 confirm here, then 7 is confirmed here. First grade, 3 numbers are remaining, 1, 5, 9. Third row we have 1, so 1 can't come in the cells, then 1 is confirmed here. Then only 2 numbers are remaining, 5 and 9. Column D we have 9, so 9 can't come in the cell, 9 is confirmed here, then 5 is here. Second row, 2 numbers are remaining, 7 and 5. Column J we have 5, so 5 can't come in the cell, 5 is confirmed here, then 7 is here. Third row, only 1 number is remaining, 4, 4 is confirmed here. Column J, only 1 number is remaining, 3, 3 is confirmed here. Column D we have 4, so 4 can't come in the cell, 4 is confirmed here, then 2 is here. Column C, 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 7. 7th row we have 2, so 2 can't come in the cell, 2 is confirmed here, then 7 is here. In this grid, only 1 number is remaining, 6 is confirmed here. Fifth row, only 1 number is remaining, 7 is confirmed here. 7th row, only 1 number is remaining, 4 is confirmed here. Column I, only 1 number is remaining, 3 is confirmed here. 8th row we have 3, so 3 can't come in this cell, 3 is confirmed here, then 4 is here. Column H, 2 numbers are remaining, 7 and 4. 8th row we have 4, so 4 can't come in this cell, 4 is confirmed here, then 7 is here. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Please like and share this video. Thank you very much.